The company is preparing to start a pilot cannabis growing program. Growing facility in Queensland is well advanced. The Hydroponics Company ASX THC will close its share purchase plan after subscriptions for the well-received offer reaches $3 million. The offer price is 63 cents per share. The funds raised will be applied to progress the company's domestic development of medicinal cannabis, further investment into Canadian assets, and to provide working capital. Read, the Hydroponics Company gets a lift following medicinal cannabis export approval. The company's share price has increased 38% to 94 cents since the start of the year, underpinned by the federal government's decision to allow medicinal cannabis to be exported from Australia. The government has approved the exportation of medicinal cannabis in a bid to strengthen the supply of medicinal cannabis amid growing demand domestically and worldwide. Pilot growing program in the first half of 2018. The Hydroponics Company is on track for a pilot cannabis growing program targeted for the first half of 2018, subject to government licensing. Significantly, the build-out of the company's growing facility in Queensland is well advanced. Medicinal cannabis clinics program to commence in 2018. Early this year, the company will commence recruitment of staff for the expansion of the National Access Cannabis NAC clinic model. The clinics will provide professional education and training for referring physicians and patients, and, in parallel, collect meaningful patient data to support further advancement of the program. Read, the Hydroponics Company's shares surge after signing medicinal cannabis deal. The Hydroponics Company is on track to import the first medicinal cannabis product range from Endoca early this year. Endoca is one of Europe's most highly respected suppliers of certified medicinal cannabis, with sales exceeding €50 million per annum. Why invest in the Hydroponics Company? Read more here. Register here to be notified of future THC Company articles. View full THC profile. View profile. No investment advice. The information on this site is of a general nature only. It does not take your specific needs or circumstances into consideration, so you should look at your own financial position, objectives and requirements and seek financial advice before making any financial decisions. You acknowledge and understand that neither the company, its related bodies, corporate, the information providers or their affiliates will advise you personally about the nature, potential value or suitability of any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, investment strategy, or other matter. You should read our FSG and any other relevant disclosure documents and if necessary seek persona advice prior to making any investment decision. You understand and agree that no content as defined below published on the site constitutes a recommendation that any particular security, portfolio of securities, transaction, or investment strategy is suitable or advisable for any specific person. You understand that in certain circumstances the company, its related bodies, corporate, the information providers or their affiliates may have received, or be entitled to receive financial or other consideration in connection with promoting, and providing information about, certain entities on the site and in communications otherwise provided to you. You understand that price and other data is supplied by sources believed to be reliable, that the calculations herein are made using such data, and that neither such data nor such calculations are guaranteed by these sources, the company, the information providers or any other person or entity, and may not be complete or accurate. From time to time, reference may be made in our marketing materials to prior articles and opinions we have published. These references may be selective, may reference only a portion of an article or recommendation, and are likely not to be current. As markets change continuously, previously published information and data may not be current and should not be relied upon. Before you act on any general advice we provide, please consider whether it is appropriate for your personal circumstances. See more related videos. Copyright Proactive Investors 2018. Proactive Investors Australia Pty Limited ACN 132,787,654 ABN 19,132,787,654. Market indices, commodities and regulatory news headlines. Copyright Morningstar. Data delayed 15 minutes unless otherwise indicated. Terms of use.